Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial on Poodle, in which I will try to explain you what are the facilities which are available under Poodle which can be used very effectively for online teaching. So first thing what we have to do is to select an editor. So we go to the right top and then click on preferences and then we click on users. So here you will see that you have editor preferences. Click here and it will show you what are the various editors available through this drop down menu. I will select TinyMCE HTML editor. Whatever you select, after that you must click on save change. Once you have done that, then you go back so you come to the section for new discussion topic, and in the subject I will write Poodle and then in the message section when I come here I see a toolbar here. If I click on this toolbar toggle I find other toolbars also. So here in this these are the tools which can be used under Poodle to record your audio, carry out your audio recording, your video recording, and even you can draw and make pictures, etc., and write numbers. So let us start with the recording, audio recording. Once I click on this icon, I see another screen in front of me which has got three buttons. One is for records, another is one for play, and third one is for uploading. Now when I want to start my recording, I will click on this record button and I will say, I'll repeat what I had said earlier. I welcome everybody to my tutorial on Poodle. Here I will explain what are the various facilities which are available for online teaching. Thank you very much. For stopping the recording, I will press again on the record button and I will see that there is a green tick mark which shows that my recording is over. Now if I want to check how my recording has gone, I will click on the play button and listen to my recording. So once I have stopped checking my recording, I will upload it. So once I see here when the uploading is complete, it will show here as uploaded successfully, and after that I will click on insert button. So it will shift, it will provide the link here. Now next I will show that how to carry out the video recording under Poodle. So I will click on the record video button. It will again show me a small screen which is again having three buttons, and fourth button is for insertion. So to start my video recording, I will click on record button and I will just say the same thing again, that welcome to my Poodle tutorial. I will explain some of the facilities available on the Poodle which can be used very effectively for online teaching. Thank you very much, and again I will stop my recording by again clicking on the record button. I will check my recording by playing it again. So now I will upload it by clicking on the upload button. Once the uploading is complete, it will be indicated here on the top of it, and and I will click the insert button. So next I will show how the writing facility or sketching facilities which is available on the Moodle. I'll click on the sketch icon. I will see on my screen this thing. It has got few buttons on the top. First one is for selecting the color which you would like to use for your sketching or for your writing. I will select red color button. Next, this button shows I can do the adjustment of thickness of my line by using this sliding button. So if I want to keep it the minimum thickness, I will keep it on the left extreme, and if I want to have maximum thickness, I will move it to right side. So if I keep it on the left side extreme, I will see this is the thickness of my line, and if I take it to somewhere in the middle, you will see the thickness of line become this much. So depending upon your requirement, you can select the thickness of your line. Now I can delete this by using this rubber button. You can see I can delete it very nicely. Similarly, I can do it very easily, and like this I can do. Again, if I am trying to write something, I've written this, I've drawn this line. If I want to completely delete it, I can click on this and it will get deleted. So this facility can be used. I keep it minimum once again for drawing sketches or even for explaining some mathematical concepts, like say if I want to show the kids explain them about fraction. Say if I want to show them 1/4 of a square, I will draw the square and then I will divide it into 4 equal parts, because I have to show 1/4 fraction, and then I will tell them that now I've got 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each part represents a 1/4 fraction of the square. So I can write in this way and explain them that I can even I can draw a boundary on this smaller square to show them that this is equal to 1/4 fraction of the whole square. I can even, if would like to show them by coloring, I can use this. I can make it slightly thicker so that I can quickly fill it up. I can use this to show that this is 1/4 of the 1/4 fraction of the whole square. So like this, you can use these facilities to show them. Now I can shift this picture there. I can insert it to my discussion forum screen by clicking on insert button. So this picture has come over here. So that's all I have to say. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.